Good morning. So some of you guys know I've been harvesting ginger. I took a ginger root from my friend's advice, Idangaset, and put it in a pot and let it grow. And it takes about 7 to 8 months, 9 months for it to harvest. So it's been growing since March, and now I'm harvesting. I took it out of the pot, and now we're looking at what's in the pot. I've already pulled this one out. Look at that, guys. And here's some more in there that I'm gonna harvest out. Fresh ginger. I am so excited. Ooh-wee, I can't wait till I get it all out. But I wanted you to see what it looks like to harvest fresh ginger. And we got these little stalks. I don't know if I can do anything with those or not, but anywho, yeah, I have fresh ginger root. I just love gardening. So if you want to try it, get you some ginger, cut it off and let it start to knot on one side, and put that knot down in the dirt, and just let it do what it do. I had mine inside for a little while, and then I took it outside, and it started growing, and it multiplied from one little piece to several little pieces, and this is what we got. I got some ginger. Okay, I gotta get to work. I just wanted to show you of it this morning. Hope you're having a good day. It feels good outside. Here anyway. Talk to you soon. So here is what I harvested. Now, I don't know about these roots. I know I gotta cut them off, but I don't know if I can replant them. That's some research I gotta do. If you know, drop it in the box and let me know. But looky. Hello, Mr. Ginger. Miss Ginger. Thank you for coming to my family.